Hi everybody. It has been so many months and I have not made any video. Um, it, the last video I made was like we were hearing about the news of vaccination, and now it's almost May when the vaccination drive is going very strong here in US. I have taken both the doses of Pfizer, and it's been almost like 1.5 months since I took, and most of my friends have taken both the doses of the vaccine. Things are looking up in US. Even though US has shut doors to countries where things are not really good, like India or Brazil or most parts of the Europe, but within US the infection rate is very low. The death rate has actually dipped down a lot. There are the hospitals are having space. The ICU beds are not occupied. Very few people are actually hospitalized. So how the vaccination drive started in US? It started mostly in the month of Feb or March, when they started vaccinating people who were high risk or above 65 or 60 years of age. So at that time, nothing was clear. Everyone was thinking that we don't know whether when we will get the vaccine, when our turn will come. In fact, there was one app link for California where we can go and see whether we can actually when our turn will come. And mostly when I used to go, I used to get a message that my turn has still not come and I'll be notified when my turn comes. But to my surprise, I was able to get vaccinated in April itself, and the next dose was in May. So the next dose, the difference between the first and the second dose was just 21 days. So the Pfizer vaccine, which most people are preferring, and it has greater, it has least reaction to the vaccination reported. So the Pfizer vaccine was mostly available. So a lot of people were also taking Moderna vaccine, which is also a good one. People started taking Johnson and Johnson, which is a single dose vaccine, but there were some reports of blood clot. But now they have CDC have given clear have actually allowed with some disclaimer on the vaccine, because these cases are like sporadic and less number of cases. So people can take Johnson and Johnson vaccine. Things are not really good in India. We have been hearing news, and some of the news are very difficult to really, accept. Some relatives and some distant relative and all, we heard that they got corona even after taking one dose of vaccine. So and India, the vaccine scene in India is actually not really great. I mean, the way they distributed and the people. There is also one factor that people were actually took that corona is all gone, and the mask culture was almost. Nobody wanted to wear masks. They were dining out, and they were going on tourism and moving around in places, public places, started shopping and all without mask. So things just took a bad turn, because there was one British variant which actually, it affected those people who were actually taking a lot of precaution, and they became victim of that. Just praying that Indian government and along with the US government, make a vaccine available to every Indian citizen, easy vaccine. Because here in America, when a vaccine when they started giving vaccine, things were not clear. It was actually a mess. I heard even my doctor telling me that it is mess. We don't know when you will get or when your turn will come. But suddenly things became very smooth. The vaccine is easily available. We used to get Sign Up Genius link, which was a very simple link. Just go and register yourself and go and get the vaccine. And it was quite easy. Initially it was like we thought we will not be able to get, but still we showed up and we got the vaccine. So the number of vaccines and the way the vaccine is administered, it is very smooth here in America. The same thing we are expecting from India too, because vaccine is the only solution to end this pandemic and save people's life. So let's hope that most of the Indian population is vaccinated, our loved ones are safe, and we don't lose the battle to this virus. Thank you, and be safe.